Hello guys, and today I'm going to make, although make's not really the right word in some cases, a pork and stuffing batch, okay? Now, often you go into town here, or rather the city centre, as we're a city, and you can buy professionally made pork batches, okay? Now, they have an extra thing that I can't do today, okay? And what you can do is you can buy some rolls. You buy some rolls, which I'm going to call batches to make it simple. I think it's a minor difference between a batch and a roll, but it's fairly similar. Okay. And I've just, got one out. Okay. You get them out by, you basically break them off. So you they sort of stuck together when you get them, and then you break them off yourself, okay? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it open. But I do it in such a way that it opens like this, okay? So I don't cut it all the way through, so it opens like that. So I've got hay fever, okay? Now what I do it so it's not complete, so, it's still one piece, just about, okay? Now what I do is I get the margarine, I take the lid off the margarine, there's the margarine, this on here, and now I'm going to put some margarine onto the knife, and then spread the margarine onto the batch, do both sides of the batch. It's starting to split open now, unfortunately. It's very difficult trying to do things with a camera, truthfully. Right, and there you go. I'm sure I can put more margarine on, but so there you go. And it's not perfect, but it will do because it's difficult to film this, and I've got hay fever and as well, which is I sneeze a lot. It's not coronavirus, I've just got hay fever. Because it's the wrong time of year for me, to be honest. And if you go out and there's a lot of grass, which there is around here, you tend to get rather ill. Okay, so there you go. It is trying to fall to pieces, but I'm trying to keep it in one piece. Now, as I said to you before, it's called pork and stuffing. Okay, so what you get inside it, I've put that into a container, but you originally get it in here. And my mum had some of this, but she doesn't like the stuffing. So I'm going to have some of the rest of the pork and the stuffing, all the stuffing, because she doesn't like the stuffing. Now this is something called stuffing, okay? And it's called stuffing, okay? And this was made professionally. I didn't make it, okay? And it came with it, okay? And it consists, they call it pork, sage and onion stuffing. You've got bits of onion, bits of sage, and onion and other stuff, various stuff in here basically, which a lot of it I don't really know because I've never made my own stuffing, truthfully. Okay, and here's the pieces of pork. So I'm going to put the pork in here. I'm going to chop this bit in half. And that'll do for one batch. I'm going to put the stuffing on. I'm going to get the stuffing roll. The ball, well it's not a roll, it's a ball. A ball of stuffing, and I'm going to put it on here. And now I'm going to spread it. Usually it's put in the middle. Sorry, I've just got to do this. I really don't feel well because of all the grass around it. And now, I have my pork batch, which I now close. And now I'm going to eat the pork batch, okay? And there's enough for another one, okay? And there you go, guys. Pork and stuffing batch, okay? And you can buy these in town, okay? Or in our close city centre, because we're a city. In the city centre, the difference is that you get that the pork is hot, okay? So it's already cooked, okay? And you get it hot. And they also provide you with some apple sauce as well. And if you ask specially, they also put some crackling on as well, okay? So there you go, guys. A British delicacy you wouldn't be allowed to eat in an Islamic country, okay? For obvious reasons, okay? Because it's got pork in it, okay? Okay, so that's me making and eating one pork batch, okay? And these are quite popular over here, okay? Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!